Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video. Today we have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa located here in the village of Summer Chase. This home is offered at $350,000. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Summer Chase. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa located here in the village of Summer Chase. These are the cottages of Summer Chase. This home has no bond. The roof was put on in 2024. HVAC system was put in 2018. This home does come with a generator as well, and I will show you that. It is offered at $350,000. I will take a panoramic view of the street. That is panning north, and that is panning south. As I walk up to this home, it does have a 1.5 car garage. It is maintenance-free landscaping. As you can see, it does have the stone landscaping as well. This home is in very good condition. You'll be very happy to see what you see inside this home. The concrete work is in very good condition. This is the front entry area. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tile floors. Off to the left, you do have your garage and a guest bedroom. In front, you do have your kitchen with Formica countertops, wood cabinets, electric stove, very high ceilings, acoustic texture. Does have recessed lighting in this kitchen as well. It has a 2-bowl sink. Here is the closet. This is the pantry for the kitchen area right here, friends. Off to the living room, you do see this beautiful wood floor, very high ceilings. The back of this home does face east, friends. That is a sliding patio door out to the lanai. The furniture is not included, friends. Off to the right, you do see a guest quarter. Here we have the guest area. It does have a sliding pocket door. It does have carpet in the hallway. This is a guest bedroom with carpeting. That is a queen-size bed to give you perspective, friends. Very high acoustic textured ceilings. We'll swing around and show you what this room looks like. This bedroom does have bifold raised panel doors as well. Give you a better view of that closet right there. There is carpet in that closet. Very neutrally colored room, you can see. I will video the linen closet for the guest bathroom. That is your linen closet right there, friends. Here's your guest bathroom. It does have rolled vinyl floors, wood cabinets, Formica countertop, 1 sink. Again, very tall ceiling. It does have a tub and shower surround that is plastic or fiberglass. Give you a better look at what that tub area looks like. Next, I will exit and I will show you the dining and living room area. Those are beautiful wood floors. Let's go outside and take a look at this back lanai area. Those are sliding glass doors leading to the primary bedroom. Very good condition. The concrete, very good condition in this lanai. The back of this home does face east, friends. That is the preferred direction to have your lanai. Let's go outside and take a look at that yard. Let's go outside and take a look at the back patio area. You do see this home has cement and stone in the backyard. It is totally maintenance free. The back of this home does face east, friends. And I will give you a better look at what the roof looks like. That is your roof. That was installed in the year 2024. This home is in very good condition, very neat and clean. We are in the Cottages of Summer Chase. Here in the northern part of the Villages, this is your side patio area. It's totally maintenance free, as you can see. Here's your HVAC system that was replaced in the year 2018. Right there, friends. This home is in very good condition. This home is located very near Glenview Country Club, and it's a little bit north of El Camino Real. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. Let's take a walk into that primary bedroom area. Here we are entering the primary bedroom area. And you do see this room has very high ceilings with acoustic texture. And it does have luxury vinyl floors as well. This home is in very good condition, neutrally painted as well. You do see it has a walk-in closet with those luxury vinyl floors. Very high ceiling in that closet area. Here's the primary bedroom. It does have rolled vinyl floors, Formica countertop, wood cabinets, very high acoustic textured ceilings as well. There you have a shower area. It is a glass shower door. That shower is tile. Very neutrally colored shower. That surround is also tile. Right there, friends. Let's walk back out into that home and see what you have to offer. As I exit this home, I will show you one last panoramic view of this home. As always, friends, please contact Kevin Kelley with Remax Realty. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of where this home is. It is located at 1673 Belle Grove Drive in the Villages. List price $350,000, 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. Bond is paid, new roof in 2024, HVAC in 2018. Feel free to pause the specification sheet. I will turn that specification sheet over to give you an idea of the room dimensions. Your kitchen is 13.5 by 9. Living room is 13.5 by 14. There you have it, friends. First thing I notice is this beautiful laminate floor in this guest bedroom. It is currently being used as an office right now. This bedroom does have bifold raised panel doors on the closet as well. Very nice. Light colored paint. There you have the inside of your closet, what that looks like. As I exit this bedroom, I will walk into the laundry area. This laundry area does have a sliding pocket door, has a window, there is a sink, You do see that tile floor continuing in this room. Next, I will walk out into that garage. It is a 1.5 car garage. That is your water heater right there in the corner. 1.5 car garage. Here is the generator that does go with the home right there. And that is your generator hookup right there, friends. This is a block and stucco home. Very neat and clean. There is your HVAC system that was replaced in the year 2018. Let's go back into this home and see what this looks like as we exit. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Let's walk out into the street. Give you a last panoramic view of the street. We are in the village of Summer Chase. Here in the Villages, Florida. And I will turn around. There you have it, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco, courtyard villa offered at $350,000 here in the village of Summer Chase in the Villages, Florida. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Summer Chase. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa is offered at $350,000. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.